In our last episode, we made a quick stop in beautiful, historical Savannah, Georgia to see a few sights and enjoy a fantastic dinner at the 1540 room. Now, we continue our journey south on I-95, just past the Florida border. Before we get to our final destination of Orlando, we had to make a quick trip back to one of our favorite resorts, the Ritz-Carlton Amelia Island. If you happen to follow our channel, you probably know that we were here back in May of 2001. We decided to unload some more of our Marriott Bonvoy points for a quick one-night stay. And from the looks of it, not much has changed, which is a good thing. Our room wasn't quite ready, so we decided to go for a walk around the property and stop into Coast for lunch, which is a great casual option near the pool with fantastic food. Back at the Ritz-Carlton.
Yeah.
One of our favorite properties we've ever stayed at. Oh, what a beautiful day. 71 degrees. In February, it feels amazing. Here's an excellent place to sit, have a drink at the end of the day, coffee in the morning. Vivi is glad that she's not in the car anymore.
Yeah.
So Vivi, this is your first time to the ocean. What do you think about that? I had a nice glass of white wine, Rach had a nice rosé, and Vivi had her milk. It happened to be a Sunday while we were here, so you could choose brunch or lunch. And this is kind of interesting. It looks like they're putting a family putting green out in between the pool and Coast. Hey you. You're at the beach. Yeah. So our room still wasn't ready, but we just had lunch. They said they were going to give us a little bit of an upgrade to a king suite. So we'll just be patient, wait for that.
It's not super warm.
No.
Weather either.
It's windy. It really feels like it's like 60. Yeah. But it is just nice to see the ocean, see the beautiful shoreline, and see the sun. Okay, just checking in to the Ritz-Carlton. Pretty similar room that we had last time, if you see our last video. Nice double sinks in here, shower. But one thing's a little bit better this time.
Well,
Room's very similar. Two things are better. Just notice there's a lot more bags. We got our baby girl, little Vivian, with us this time. And we have a really nice view. Last time it was nice, but this time I think it's a little bit better because it's straight on as opposed to off to the side. So really loving this. We're on the 7th floor, room 739.
And the balcony too has really got some size to it.
Yeah, it's a nice sized balcony. You can have lots of space to sit out, have a drink, cocktail, your morning coffee, whatever it is. Sit outside and just enjoy this beautiful view.
We're in middle of February, so it's still not that warm here. What I like on this balcony is it blocks the wind for the most part, so we can sit out here and enjoy being outside and not be like so chilled.
The wind was coming across,
Yeah.
I think, yeah. Yeah, this is beautiful. You have a look right down here to coming out of the main lobby down there to the center of the property.
What would also be really nice this time of the year, more in the winter we come, is like they have some rooms that have little fire pits.
Oh yeah, that would be nice too.
But I'm sure those are very expensive.
All in all, very impressive. One of our favorite properties to stay at, and I'm not just saying that. We truly love this place. It's just got a little bit of everything. It's just so beautiful. The service is fantastic. The rooms are gorgeous, clean, and we love all the balcony access here.
We could be everything.
for tonight's dinner, we're actually not eating here on the property. We're going about a 4-minute drive to Cucina South, and it's an Italian place with a little bit of seafood flair, obviously, and Mediterranean style. Has really good reviews. The last time we were here, we ate on the property at Salt. We also ate at Tidewater, and then we also went into town and ate at Lake Clos and also España. But we're gonna try this one tonight. I think it's gonna be a great fit for us with Vivi, and we're gonna take you along. So, see you there.
Shrimp Diablo.
Cool.
And this area is known for their shrimp.
Yep, so, very known for the shrimp. Good choice. I just went with the good old eggplant parmesan. Just sounded good tonight. Yeah, full disclosure, this place was just okay. Rachel's shrimp was actually pretty good. But hey, you know what? If you're coming here and you can actually plan it out, go into town to Fernandina Beach and go to some places there. They're fantastic. Well, let's get back to the Ritz and hit up the lobby bar. And if you don't mind spending $28 for a drink, the smoked old fashioned is amazing. Oh, that's great.
Sorry about that.
Thank you. Ooh, look at those fire pits down on the water. Vivi's getting her breakfast.
She slept through the night here.
I mean, the entire night.
12 hours.
12 hours, didn't make a peep. That's how peaceful this place is. You can just feel it here. There's something about it that just like is very comforting when you sleep. I don't know if it's being near the ocean or what. Just a great place for that. So we ordered room service for breakfast. We just thought it would be easier with Vivi being here, and it gives us a chance to pack and continue on our way. So you actually fill out a card, put it on your door. So we think we put for 8:30, 8:45. I can't really remember. It's about 7:30 right now. So we'll see if it comes, but pretty excited about that. And then we're gonna go take a walk down on the beach afterwards. So dip Vivi's toes into the sand, into the water for the first time. See how that goes. Ready to go for a walk on the beach. Yeah, you. Beach time. Beach time, yay. Beautiful day, huh? Beautiful beach day. So it looks like you still can get chairs here. They just don't have the full service. Yeah, you can still get chairs.
Yeah, just, there's not anyone to lay them out.
No attendant. No umbrellas. Vivi, what do you think of this? What do you think of this, Viv? And do a polar plunge. That is cold. That water is cold. Woo-hoo. That is cold. Probably good for my feet though.
Yeah. Well, you know what, the sand is good for the dead skin.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Catching anything?
Whining.
Oh, I'm sorry?
Whining?
Oh,
Where you guys from?
Pittsburgh.
Vacation?
Yeah, stopping by. Yep, for sure.
Oh, close on it.
5 months today.
Pretty cool.
Thanks. First time seeing the beach.
Yeah.
Thanks. Told me he was catching something. I couldn't quite understand what it was.
Something if you're from around here.
Yeah, I think if you're from around here, you know, but I know these people that set up these rods here, I know they catch a lot of like little reef sharks and
Yeah.
stuff like that, but I don't know, it looks pretty fun. I wouldn't mind doing it sometime.
Yeah. Very relaxing.
Yeah. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. And I'll also put in the link to the video that we first did here in the description, so you can see some other areas of the property that we didn't get time to do this time around. Thanks for watching. Somebody's 5 months old today. Yeah. You are 5 months old. Yeah, what do you think?